Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to back up your account for XcelPay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your XcelPay wallet application and make sure to log into your account by entering your password. Once you are signed into the account, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu option, go ahead and tap on My Wallets, and then tap on the little arrow right next to your wallet you would like to back up. Now, in the pop-up appearing at the bottom, you can now tap on View Seed Phrase. Enter your PIN in order to proceed, and you will now be able to reveal your mnemonic phrases. Carefully write down the 12 words mnemonic phrases in a piece of a paper in the correct order. These phrases are crucial for recovering your account if you lose your device or need to reinstall the app. Write it down accurately on a piece of a paper and store it securely. Never share your mnemonic phrases with anyone. It's like your account's master key, so make sure to treat it with the utmost confidentiality. Once you've written down your secret recovery phrases, you will be able to back it up. So that is how you can easily back up your wallet on XcelPay. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.